bit of time to burn, so we stopped here at this museum here. But because of some background music playing and copyright stuff, I'm gonna shoot around here and probably just narrate over it, and we're gonna go on another mission. You might know what that is. If you watched the last video, you know we were aiming for a restaurant known for its burgers. They make a burger as large as 125 pounds with 72-hour notice, of course. So they're going to be opening soon. I just thought we'd burn a couple of minutes here. There's one single small car here that I am looking for that drew me to this place. It's here somewhere. I know there's some little cars down here that I don't know. I've come to like odd, small, old cars, and this is about as odd as it gets when it comes to probably American-made cars. This was this section here of these little cars. It was the Crosley Motor Company, American Motor Company, and they made these tiny little cars. I think from 1939 to 1952, I think. But they're just little. They only weigh just a little over 1,000 pounds. Pretty simple cars. There's a tiny little 4-cylinder engine. I think the same engine went in every single model. But you know, they're kind of cool. I don't know how safe they are, but anyway, we're gonna go on and find this little car I'm looking for. This truck here was very popular. I really liked it. It's a little red wagon made by Dodge. This era of these late 20s, early 30s trucks, I really like those. I'd like to have one. I'm just gonna make a list of the things I want here. Okay. I've always been a fan of the late 60s American muscle cars. Not so much the family cars. You know, they're certainly classic and have character, but yeah, not so much for me. A big sled. Let's call those a sled. This little Volkswagen here. I used to think these kit cars, you know, when I was a young fella, these Rolls Royce, I think, kit cars for these, I thought was just the coolest thing ever. And that was kind of a dream to do that someday, but no, anymore, no, I just would like a classic, all original Volkswagen. And there is one here, and that's, I'll let it out of the bag. That's what I'm here looking for. There's a classic old VW bug here that I'd like to have. I don't know, there it is. There's the old Volkswagen. That's what brought me here. Yeah, it's a little bit too nice, so I wouldn't mind one. It had a couple battle scars that, you know, wouldn't be afraid to drive every day. Yeah, it's a cool little car. Out of all the cars, the Volkswagen Bug, it has my biggest interest right now. I'd like to get a nice project car, and something that's not too far gone, but needs a little TLC. Yeah, the rest of these cars, yeah, I'd probably pick it over the Volkswagen over almost anything else, believe it or not. Yep, I'd pick it over the Camaro, if you can believe that. This truck here, I think, was donated by the VFW, the local VFW here. Wow, the models. I think the VFW did all the paint work and the restoration, and that was their contribution to the museum, was a old Chevy pickup, and the wall of names on the back there of all the locals that served, and quite a collection of models. That's a lot of models. Alright, I'm gonna pick up the pace here, and we're gonna get out of here, I think. Yeah, there's just such an extensive display of, you know, these wildlife mounts. I just thought it was automobiles. I had no idea. All right, I'm gonna move along here, and we're gonna get out of here. If you're ever in Clearfield, Pennsylvania, this is the Clearfield Community Museum. I had no idea. It wasn't bad. $6 admission. Anyway, we got other things to do today. Up on the hill here in Clearfield, Pennsylvania is a place called Denny's Beer Barrel Pub. And they have some burger challenges, starting with a 2-pound burger, 3-pound burger. There's a 2-person challenge. I think it's a 5 or 6 pounder. They make 10-pound burgers, 15, 25, and up. They make big burgers here. Okay, we finally made it to Denny's Beer Barrel Pub, home of the world's largest hamburger challenges. I'm not going to do a challenge. I'm not going to stuff and gorge myself. But they have a couple challenges. I'd be challenged, you know, I'm challenged with a 1/2 pounder sometimes. So here's the challenge board. A 2-pound pub challenger, a 3-pound super challenger, a 6-pound yield 96er, 15-pound beer barrel belly buster, and a 25-pound beefinator. Now, imagine a 25-pound burger. They make bigger ones. Okay. But there's no challenges offered. Those are, well, even some of these bigger ones would seem more like a party platter, right? Some of these are 2-person challenges. I don't know what the specifics are on each challenge, but I've seen other places claim to have the world's biggest burgers, but my money's on this place. I figured they'd have a wall of fame here, and here's all the people that have beat the 2-pound burger Hall of Fame, the pub challenge, and most of these are all in less than an hour. And let me see here. Yeah. And then these go even around the corner, and then over on this other wall is the 3-pound Hall of Fame. Most of these are well over an hour, okay, but a couple of people here. Old Joe Eagle Sizer, this is his hometown, from Clearfield, 38 minutes, where most people are well into an hour and a half. Oh, new record. Wow. Elizabeth Rubber Gut Can from Florida, 20 minutes in 2008. Wow. Here are the burger challenges. The pub challenger is 2 pounds of beef. You have an hour to eat it, and you will receive a Denny's Beer Barrel t-shirt, a completion certificate, and you're put in the Hall of Fame. $22. The 2-pound Insanity Burger. You don't get a full hour for this. You only get 45 minutes. A blend of 8 peppers with habanero ketchup, jalapeno bottle caps, ghost pepper cheese, topped with 2 cherry peppers. Wow. I assume you also get in the Hall of Fame in a shirt. The pub super challenger, or 3-pound baby boy. That's right, 3 full pounds of ground beef with the works. Hour and a half hour time limit. If you eat it, they pay for it. Plus you receive a shirt and a completion certificate and the Hall of Fame. Okay, now the 6-pound challenger, 3-hour time limit. The beer, there's a 24-hour notice on the 15-pound challenge. The Beer Barrel Belly Buster. That's a 2-man challenge. Ask the server for details. That's 15 pounds. That's 7.5 pounds per person. I would think they'd give you from opening till close to eat that much. The beer, what is this? Another 2-man challenge, yeah. The Beer Barrel Burginator, 72-hour notice required. 25 pounds of meat and cheese. Wow. Wow. 12.5 pounds per each. Okay, the rest are not challenges. They're just, I think, for party platters. Although the previous one seems A couple seem plenty for a platter. The beer barrel belly buster, 50 pounds of ground meat. Wow. And the beer barrel main event burger, 125 pounds. Great for special events, graduation parties, family reunions. Wow. Okay, I don't think I'm going for any of those. I'm going to go with the 1 pound version of the Smoky Mountain brisket burger. So instead of a half pound, that'll be a full pound ground sirloin topped with smoked barbecue beef brisket, beer braised onions, and sharp cheddar cheese. Yeah, that sounds like that'll hit the spot. Bella's gonna know I was eating a nice burger with brisket on it. She's gonna know it. I'm gonna be in trouble. I did give Bella some. I gave Bella a nice chunk of burger. Was that good? Was that a good snack? It was really good. You know what? That's gotta be the best burger. You know, and it doesn't have nothing to do with the size of it. Really, flavor. You know, it was really, really, really good. 5 out of 5 stars. That's one of the best burgers I've ever had. It ranks for okay, we're gonna get out of here. We're leaving Clearfield. I think we're headed up towards somewhere up above State College, Pennsylvania, and Bellefonte, past Snowshoe. I forget exactly where. I got it on my map. But we're gonna go and probably meet up with a friend. I was gonna go south, but change the plans. I think I'll go north a little ways. So we're gonna get out of here. Get out of here on a nice belly full of burger.
Head northwest on Cemetery Road, Woodland Road, toward East 14th Street. Head northwest on Cemetery Road, Woodland Road, toward East 14th Street.
All right.
Head northwest on Cemetery Road, Woodland Road, toward East 14th Street.
No, my GPS.
West on Cemetery Road, Woodland Road, toward East 14th Street.
Google Maps thinks I just went backwards. I just backed the whole way down that hill.
600 feet, take the Pennsylvania 879 East exit toward I-80 and Cart House.
Okay, now it figured it out.
US 322 East. Turn right, US 322 East, then take the Pennsylvania.
Okay, GPS, get your act together. I heard you.
Pennsylvania 879 East exit.
All right, we're out of here. We're getting on Interstate 80. We're gonna go east a little ways and meet up with a friend.
Continue on Pennsylvania.
We may go further north into Pennsylvania, maybe in the Allegheny National Forest, or no, actually, we'll probably go into a state forest. Snoop around there for a while. I don't know what's going on exactly yet, but we're gonna go do something else now. Leaving Clearfield. Hey, if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're out of here. I'll see ya.